Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with a chilly morning and mainly just some high clouds out there, but still plenty of sun. Expecting a fairly seasonable and quiet weather day today as we move through our workday, and then as we get into the overnight time frame, we'll see clouds on the increase and a slight chance of maybe seeing some light rain in the area for the early morning hours of Thursday. If we look at the current surface analysis, overall have high pressure and control, a few surface troughs over the eastern part of the country, but we'll have an upper level trough that'll be digging into the region as we go through the overnight time frame. That's going to bring that chance of some light rain for the morning tomorrow, and it'll help stir up a weak area of low pressure just off the coast that will help with that as well. But again, just a slight chance at this time. Overall, expecting mainly dry and cloudy conditions as we go through that time frame. But looking at the current conditions this morning, just a few clouds around 21,000 feet, scattered deck at 25,000 feet, calm winds with temperature around 30 degrees. Relative humidity is at 88%. If we look at the visible satellite, we can see those high clouds kind of streaming through the region. That will be the case as we go through much of the day today, mainly just scattered to broken deck of high clouds through the daytime hours, and again, some additional cloud cover will build in through the overnight. If we look at the high resolution model, again, we'll see dry conditions as we go through the day today, and then going into the evening time frame, we start to see that trough swinging into the area. It's going to kick up that weak area of low pressure developing off the Carolina coast, and as you can see, some precip swinging up into the local area. Again, most of this is passing just south and off the coast as that area of low pressure takes it out and that trough continues to push through. But can't rule out some of the other models showing maybe a light sprinkle or light bit of rain making it up to the local area, mainly before the start of the workday tomorrow. And then it should move out of here as some cool and breezy conditions continue as we go through the day tomorrow. With those winds being elevated, as we can see a tight pressure gradient here, good chance of seeing a wind advisory as we go through the day tomorrow. We'll see that continue into the evening time frame, and then we'll start to see those winds relax as high pressure builds into the area once again on Friday. We'll see some cold conditions tomorrow evening into Friday with a chilly day, below average day through the day on Friday, but overall dry for our Friday. If we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, mainly green conditions through the next 24 hours, but we do have that yellow chance for precip in that 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. time frame on Thursday. Just a slight chance, about a 20% chance of seeing some light sprinkle or rain in the area. Otherwise, green conditions, we'll see partly cloudy conditions as we go through the day today. Again, mainly just those high clouds around. We'll see seasonable temperatures with a high around 47 degrees. And we'll see those winds on the light side slowly shifting out of the west to southwest around 2 to 7 knots. And going into the evening time frame, those winds will remain light and variable going into Thursday morning. We'll see those temperatures cooling down to around 36 degrees as those clouds start to increase as we get mainly towards the 10 p.m. time frame. We'll see those clouds increasing and some of those cloud decks lowering through that time frame. Seeing those ceilings likely developing around 2,000 to 3,000 feet as we get into the early morning hours on Thursday. Otherwise, tides are running about a foot above normal today, and as we look at the next couple of days, mostly cloudy to start the day on Thursday. A very slight chance of light rain lingering early, but most of that should be out of the area. And then we'll see those winds gradually increasing through the day, becoming breezy to windy at times. So we do have that red risk for winds at or above 25 knots. Could see those wind gusts up to 28, maybe 29, 30 knots as we get to the afternoon on Thursday. And we'll see those clouds decreasing as we get later in the day towards sunset Thursday, but high around 46 degrees. And then as we go into Thursday evening, we'll see a few clouds around early, then those clear skies will move into the area, and we'll see slightly breezy conditions early. But with those winds weakening and those skies clearing, we'll see temperatures really falling off with some cold conditions at a low around 25 degrees. Do keep a yellow chance for those winds that are above 25 knots, mainly early on. But as we go into Friday, we'll see continued chilly conditions with Starting off mostly sunny and seeing some clouds later in the day, but a cooler day with a high around 43 degrees, but we should see green conditions for our weather risk. That wraps up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.